Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC B1389, indicates a malfunction within the power tailgate motor clutch circuit of the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. This specific error points to potential issues affecting the power tailgate's performance, specifically the motor and its associated circuits. The power tailgate system includes various components such as the power tailgate control unit and the drive unit, responsible for actuating the tailgate movement. The control unit is typically located within the tailgate area, receiving commands from internal switches or the keyless transmitter. Understanding this system's functionality is crucial for diagnosing the B1389 error accurately. A successful resolution of this DTC not only restores the convenience of the power tailgate feature, but also ensures the safety and reliability of the vehicle's operational systems. DTC B1389 pertains to a malfunction specifically related to the clutch circuit of the power tailgate motor. The power tailgate motor is critical as it controls the opening and closing of the tailgate automatically, providing ease of access to the vehicle's cargo area. This motor receives signals from the power tailgate control unit, which interprets input from various switches, including the keyless transmitter and internal controls. The control unit is generally found located within the tailgate assembly, connected via a wiring harness that interacts with the drive unit. Any fault in this circuit, such as short circuits or disconnections, can trigger DTC B1389, leading to an inability for the tailgate to operate correctly. When troubleshooting DTC B1389, several possible causes must be considered. A common issue is a short to ground within the wiring connected to the power tailgate control unit. This fault could disrupt electrical signals, resulting in malfunction. Additionally, the power tailgate control unit itself may be faulty, failing to send the correct commands to the motor. If the control unit operates correctly, the drive unit could be defective or malfunctioning as well. Each of these components plays a vital role in the tailgate's operation, making it essential to examine them thoroughly during diagnosis. Understanding these potential causes will guide technicians to pinpoint the issue effectively. Symptoms associated with DTC B1389 primarily involve the power tailgate's inability to function as designed. Drivers may notice that the tailgate does not respond to commands from the keyless transmitter or the internal switch. In some cases, the driver might observe that the tailgate remains inoperable despite attempts to engage it, leading to inconvenience while loading or unloading items. Additionally, a vehicle's diagnostic system will likely display the error code B1389, indicating that further investigation is required. Recognizing these symptoms allows for timely intervention and repair, ensuring the functionality of this essential feature. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1389 involves manually opening the tailgate to begin diagnostics. After this, use the keyless transmitter or the internal tailgate switch to attempt to close the tailgate automatically. Following this action, turn the ignition switch to the lock position and back to the on position. This procedure resets the vehicle's electronic systems, which may help clear intermittent issues. It is essential to follow these initial steps meticulously as they set the foundation for the troubleshooting process, ensuring that the error is accurately evaluated. If subsequent issues arise, documenting each step is crucial for diagnosis. Once the initial actions are completed, the next phase requires clearing the diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool that interfaces with the vehicle's computer to clear existing trouble codes. Subsequently, check for any DTCs again to see if B1389 is still indicated. If B1389 is present, there is a more significant issue that needs addressing. If not, the problem might have been intermittent, indicating potential loose connections or temporary faults. This step is critical in distinguishing between ongoing issues and those that may resolve through a simple reset. In this troubleshooting step, turn the ignition switch back to the lock position to prepare for further diagnostics. After ensuring that the ignition is off, reopen the tailgate. This is important for gaining access to the power tailgate control unit. Next, disconnect the connector B, specifically the 20-pin connector associated with the control unit. This action is essential for testing the continuity of the circuits and ensuring that no faults exist between the components connected by this wiring. Following these procedures accurately will enable effective diagnosis of the circuit's potential issues. With the connector B disconnected, continuity must be checked between body ground and the power tailgate control unit at terminals number 9 and 10 individually. This step verifies whether there are any shorts to ground in the wiring connected to those terminals. A positive continuity test indicates a potential short circuit that would need to be repaired to restore normal function. If there is no continuity, this suggests that the wiring is intact and the focus should then shift to other components, possibly replacing the drive unit. It is crucial to ensure proper grounding throughout the testing process as it contributes to the effectiveness of the entire circuit. In this final troubleshooting step, measure the voltage between terminal number 19 of the power tailgate control unit connector B and the body ground. This measurement is critical for identifying any voltage irregularities in the power circuit. The normal voltage reading indicates that the power supply to the tailgate control unit is functioning correctly. However, any anomalies here could signify a power supply issue or that the control unit is not responding correctly due to potential internal faults. This step provides the last key piece of data required for diagnosis, enabling a clearer picture of the root cause of the DTC B1389 malfunction. After addressing the issues indicated by DTC B1389, it is essential to perform a final verification of the repairs that have been made. Begin by testing the power tailgate to confirm its operational status, verifying that it opens and closes as expected. Following successful operation, clear any diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS once more. Rechecking for DTCs will ensure that B1389 has been resolved and that no new errors have arisen. This final step is critical to validate the effectiveness of the repairs and ensure the reliability of the tailgate moving forward, providing peace of mind to the owner. Preventive maintenance is a crucial aspect of keeping the power tailgate system functioning efficiently and avoiding issues like DTC B1389. Regular inspections of the tailgate components, especially the power tailgate control unit and its associated wiring, can help identify potential issues before they become significant problems. Checking connections periodically ensures that there are no loose or corroded wires that could lead to system malfunctions. Furthermore, maintaining the integrity of the control unit itself is vital, as any wear or damage can ripple through the entire power tailgate system. Following a routine maintenance schedule will greatly enhance the longevity and reliability of this system. In summary, understanding DTC B1389 is essential for diagnosing and resolving power tailgate issues in the Honda Odyssey from 2011 to 2017. The comprehensive overview of troubleshooting steps provided serves as a guide for technicians to pinpoint the exact cause of the malfunction effectively. Each step is designed to isolate issues systematically, from checking wiring continuity to measuring voltage levels. Following up with preventive maintenance ensures the longevity of the tailgate system. Implementing these diagnostic and maintenance strategies not only resolves the specific DTC, but also fortifies the operational reliability of the vehicle's power tailgate system overall. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.